Hello everyone. I have of this one the 12B battery alternator tester for the or may also test all the alternator and test battery. So the I have this one, the test alternator and the battery. I bought it at the Harbor Freight for like $7. Let me show you how to be works with the alternator. Well, I don't use the battery, so I had to be check the alternator. I went to the nearby to buy a new one alternator, so it was too low. So I will teach to you how to use works with the alternator test. So on me also at the back description is said. So let's do the test alternator. So don't worry about it, the battery. So let's go ahead with the alternator. So let's do it on it. Let's go ahead. So the guide was off, so go ahead, you need it on. So make sure the turn off the light, everything mostly have off, inside the light off, make sure the radio off, AC off, and the also make sure close the door all around, close, and then let's turn it up. So I can feel it like when it's turned it up, and I feel like it's a little bit shaking and shake. If possible, to me maybe replace alternator. So now go ahead, plug in cigarette right there. Plug in the cigarette right there. There you go. So there's a light on, blink. It's green, yellow, which means too low. Green is a normal. The red one is too high. The other one is battery. Is the green one is charge. The yellow one is the red charge on the dead battery. So alternator yellow, which means too low, or the green one is normal. The red one is high. So let me show you how to be works with that. When you plug in cigarette and then pull it down to shift to neutral. Let me get it to. Let's go to the neutral. Sometime show if it's yellow, make sure to the neutral. Now you turn on AC, turn on radio. Now turn on radio. It's some time. The yellow one was blink. So I go ahead use hazard. Let's drive. It's sometimes if confusing. Sometimes it's before what to put on cigarette. Sometimes it show you the too low. Sometimes I'll plug it out again. Let's see my other one. This at the top. That's great. This is not working. Oops. Okay. Now put it on it. At the bottom. Let's see over there. You see the red one is alternator, which means too high, which means not good for alternator need replace. And also I saw engine light on, blinking. I'll stop it, blink engine. So I go ahead, replace the alternator. Turn it off, everything. Turn it off. Let's turn it off. So this is how to show you to be test alternator like that. So I go ahead to replace the alternator. Thank you for watching video.